So in Vail Health's emergency department, I'm really proud of our educational program. Our educator, Liz Woodrich, has a master's in education and is really passionate about education. We do monthly skills. We also do a yearly or annual skills day where we practice all kinds of different skills and knowledge pieces hands-on. Additionally, we have monthly grand rounds that allows people to either Zoom in or go in person to have educational lectures and information provided by a series of different experts in their fields. So sometimes it's on like antibiotic stewardship, other times it might be on acute kidney injuries. So there's a wide variety of subjects like that. We also have an amazing education council that does a lot of mock codes. So today, for instance, we had a mock code in our surgery center ORs. We've even had mock codes in our parking garages. We do high fidelity simulations where patients will go from the emergency department to the OR and then back to our helipad. And then again, we have a lot of education funds that the entire organization supplies to any kind of employee. So I feel like we have a really comprehensive educational plan for anyone who's working in the emergency department, and we're always continuing to reevaluate and refine that.